Seeing the Concurrency Runtime 140 App DLL error during startup is a sign of a corrupted redistributable. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'm going to guide you through the official fix. This DLL file is the Microsoft Concurrency Runtime for Universal Windows Platform apps. It provides the necessary framework for task-based parallelism and synchronization in C++ applications from the Windows Store. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The best approach here is a reinstall of Microsoft Visual C Redistributable. Grab the x86 and x64 Visual C Redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them to restore the file. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Concurrency Runtime 140 app file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Keep in mind that the Concurrency Runtime 140 app DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on the Concurrency Runtime 140 app. If this diagnostic helped you resolve your Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.